Everybody wants to make more money. And in today's Bill's Basics, we're going to talk exactly about how to do that. It may not be what you think, though. It may not be about working twice as hard. I have a group called the 2X Group, and it's a peer advisory group for salespeople. And it's called the 2X Group because I want people to 2X their income over a period of time. But I don't want you to do it, or I don't want them to do it, by working twice as hard. I don't think that's the answer. So if you want to make more money, my basic recommendation is you've got to bring more value. If you want to 2X the income you earn, you must 2X the value you bring to people. Not just after you sell them something, though, although that's certainly possible. You also want to think about, how am I bringing value to my market so they'll even hear about me, know about me, see me, find me, search me, seek me, and then talk to me about their issues, their problems, their pain. So today, I want you to think about, if you want to earn more money, and I know most of us do, read all of us do, we don't want to work 17 more hours a week or a day. So what we have to do is think, how are we bringing value to our constituent base, to our audience, to our target market? Are we bringing it only when they buy, or are we bringing it as part of LinkedIn videos like this? I get a lot of people who watch these videos, not just these, but all the ones that I do, and suddenly out of nowhere they'll call and say, okay, I want you to come in and help me or help my team. I need coaching, my team needs work. And it's only because I have delivered this content freely over the last few years that people know about me and the content. So I want you to think about that. Want to make more money? Deliver more value. Are you delivering it, or are you waiting for someone to buy from you and only then do you deliver it? See you next time.